DOS for Excel is a powerful, feature-rich add-in for Microsoft Excel, which allows you to quickly perform functions that would otherwise take up much time. The tool integrates with the spreadsheet editor and allows you to easily access its features from the command ribbon. Some features are new to Excel while others are greatly simplified. For example, you can export sheets quickly, merge cells or rows or columns without losing data, Comments Assistant, count cells by color, advanced built-in formulas, advanced built-in functions, auto-backup your workbooks easily. DOS for Excel add-in simply will save your time and effort. If you are tired of removing duplicated rows, or loaded by comparing sheets, or having a headache doing complicated tasks in Excel, then DOS for Excel is the powerful handy tool for you to simplify all these complicated tasks into few clicks. It provides more than plus 100 advanced new functions and features added into the Excel ribbon for your easy use.